introduce you to one of the main elements of our European reality, open houses. The concept of open house is to use our living space as a base for discussions, debate, workshops about topics that, as a team, DNS 2017, we see as relevant to bring to our community, to the city, and to the people that we met. During those open houses, we try to gather as many people as possible with diverse backgrounds, diverse ideas, and diverse perspective upon the world. The open houses are also extremely valuable for us as future teachers, because it's a way to experience how to share a message in a space where we have a really diverse audience, and how to be sure that our ideas, presentations and opinions, it also allows us to be able to mediate a discussion, but also to be sure that we are able to have a good overview upon the subject, and that at the end be sure that the audience will reach a certain understanding of the topic that we brought. Since we are in Malmö, we actually had several open houses already. We were opening our house to actually cook a brunch made of waste food, and then with the guests that came, to bring awareness about food waste and dumpster diving. We also discussed about European elections and how the European Union works. We also brought a topic that was really close to our interest, that is what is happening in Venezuela, and we were interested to bring this topic as an example of how medias are today shaping our opinions and perspective upon situations in the world. And during open houses, we also use this space for other teams or other people to bring a certain message that was important for them. For example, we hosted a presentation of DNS 2018, who just came back from their 4-month study travel in West Africa, and that were bringing them their message from the travel. Last week, our friend Hermes from DNS 2016 came with an incredible presentation and with a really powerful message about Palestine, gathering experiences that he went through during his 3-month period last year during the summer. Do what you find most appropriate to do. And he was able to bring us closer to the situation, the camps in Palestine. If you are living around Malmö, tomorrow we will have an open house called Meet the Other, where we will bring some and share with you some stories that we gathered during our 4-month study travel in Africa. So you're more than welcome to join. All the informations will be in on our Facebook page, so you can check it out. And if you have any suggestion of topics that might be relevant to bring during our open houses, you can just leave it in the comments. So yeah, thank you.